No need for the struggle in life. No need for the struggle in life. No need for the struggle in life. If humans were God, what would this life even be? Humans were God, what would this life just be? Amuronyeneko yempako ijedugo bechineke mo. Conscience is dead, dignity is gone.
Don't tell me that. You know I missed it so much. Yes. Are you serious? What's that? No, I don't want red. You know my color is pink. Yes. 42. Yes. Yeah, I would love that too. Okay. What's that? Why? No. Your father asked, are you serious? Ah, it's a lie! I can't wait to see you! When? Have you fixed a date? Finish up what? Start coming back already, please! I can't wait to see you! Just hold on. One witch is stopping me in my room. You're jealous. Hold on, my baby. Hold on. Let me fix my earpiece. There's a witch in my room and she's looking at me as if... Yes, I was saying, have you picked a date? Please don't finish what you're doing and come back, please. I can't wait to see you. Yes. Okay, tell me once you fix a date. Yeah, I love you. I miss you. Don't come. I can't wait to see you. Yes. Take care of you. Bye. Oh my goodness. You are just a witch. Take your earpiece. I'm done with the call. Take.
You couldn't even reduce your voice or take your call outside. You know I'm reading. Come on.
I shouldn't talk again. I'm talking to my baby. I shouldn't shout.
Baby. Which of the babies? Is it the honorable? Or the chief? Oh wait. The chewing gum one that buys the granules for us. Which one?
My baby. You know my main baby.
Yeah, you're right. That one, what's that his name again? Oh God, I forgot. You know you have so many babies lined up. So I can't keep count of all of them. Which one in particular?
Okay, you don't want to read again for your exams. Mind your business. Read your book. You're preparing for exam. We're preparing for exams. I'll read my own for mine.
Say hello to our babies.
Which?
You sure don't want to join me?
Are you crazy? Precious, are you mad? How dare you serve my princess with this filthy glass? You must be crazy. What happened to the gold glasses on the shelf? I keep telling you this every time. How dare you serve her with this rubbish? Will you take this rubbish away from here before I give you another slap? Stupid girl. Get out! Nonsense. Have you seen what you cost? Every day I keep teaching you one thing. How dare you serve my baby with a filthy glass? I have expensive gold glasses on the shelf. Try this the next time and you will see what I will do to you. What rubbish? Now look at what you cost. Joy spoiler.
Oh, my princess.
No, it's fine. It's okay. I'm sorry about the way I slapped you.
No problem. No problem.
It's okay.
The problem now is that he may deduct my salary, and my mom in the village is very sick.
He will not do that. It's okay. I'm going to speak to him, and I'm sure he will not do that. Okay?
Thank you.
It's okay. Sorry about it. It's okay.
No, forgive me.
I don't understand. What kind of sleep is this one? Babe, I've been at the gate knocking and you're here sleeping. I'm talking to you. What kind of sleep is this one? I've been at the gate knocking and knocking and knocking for over 45 minutes. You could not even wake up to come and open the gate for me. What kind of sleep is this one?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Every day, the same pattern of life that you live. You come back. What time is? It's after 2 in the morning. The same amount you pay in this house, I pay the same amount with you. You expect me to be your gate man, to stay awake till 2 a.m. in the morning, just to open the gates for you. No. No, you're now the madam of this house. So whenever you come back, you expect me to always be awake, waiting for you. So open the door for you. As what? Please, next time I'm taking my beauty sleep, don't ever try waking me up. You will not like it. One bit.
You're lucky you left this one open. I would have just broken the door down. What kind of sleep is that one?
Break it. When you break it, you bite the door back. Very simple. After all, your worker can cover the door at home.
Always angry with me going out. What is it with you with me going out? Just lucky. The other lady girls from this open the gate for me. If not, I think I will be here and be talking.
No. What? No. You're just plain stupid because every time you come back here, they will just have to hear our voice. Our neighbors, they have to hear our voice all the time. And the only thing I'm asking of you is to just respect yourself! Please!
Which?
Please wake up, stand up. Junior have been calling you since we had quiz. And you're here sleeping. You've not even wiped your makeup.
Somehow you woke me up. Oh. Is that why you're disturbing my sleep?
You know what? I'm done. I'm tired of babysitting you in this school. I can't do that anymore. I have to babysit you to go for lectures. I have to babysit you to write your own quiz. It's as if I want to graduate for me and also graduate for you. I'm done. You're just being plain stupid.
Let me sleep, please. Don't disturb my peaceful sleep. What's up, babe? Okay. You're not ready today.
I'm just watching TikTok, so we come to see our fellow young girls.
Okay. Okay.
Where are you coming back? Remember anything?
I don't know.
Yay!
My bag, give me my phone.
Wait.
Give it! What is it?
You're not doing yahoo like this. So where did you get these dollars from?
I don't want to hear any of
You know you're my good friend and I will know this. Why is your slippers on top of this bed now?
Your problem too much. What happened?
Shebi, you haven't watched this thing.
Well, let's take it to dry cleaner. Don't worry, I'm a big girl now. You don't need to wash.
Okay, some of my clothes.
Some of your clothes down.
Okay, meanwhile, let's be real with each other. This is your waka now. That you're carrying about. Aren't you scared that, one of the prince's relatives might catch you? Maybe his friends, even his uncles. I feel like you should concentrate more on the prince now. He should be your priority. So all these boys, all these men you go to see should all stop. Everything now has to be about the prince. Because I'm sure there is nothing they give you he shouldn't be able to afford. He's quite rich and all, right?
See? When I call you a witch, people might just think it's just a name. So are you wishing for the prince's relative or whoever to catch me? Is that what you wish me?
Why would I be wishing you those kind of nonsense? What up? See, let me ask you one question, right? One question. The prince, does he put all your bills?
Is money ever enough for you, girl?
You did not answer the question.
But I just did. Is money ever enough for a girl?
See what you so. Yes. Okay, fine. I'm just saying that the prince should be able to take care of everything you need, even down to all these dollars now that you see. Not this thing I see. I know they have 20,000. What's that thing they used to call?
Okay, you don't even know it. Okay.
But you understand where I'm coming from. Sure. Anyway, so what's up now?
Wait, I don't understand. After all the advice, don't work out and stop collecting money. You still want? I don't believe. Okay, calm down. I'm going to give you $100. Relax. Just leave my wallet.
I'm a witness.
Leave it.
I'm a witness.
Leave it. I don't believe that somebody will advise. I said I'll give you 100.
Yes, my beautiful queen. You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you, my king.
So, what are you up to?
I was invited to a function by the Umadas. I just want to take attendance. I won't be long.
Sweep off and sweep in there.
Thank you, my king.
Hey. Where is the queen?
She's out.
She's out. So who went in now?
The chief priest, of course.
The chief priest.
Yes.
Okay. I went to check the cook and collect what makes me happy. She's not there, so I'm very hungry.
Hey.
Did she tell you where she cooked?
Stephen, I knew there was something about those questions of yours. We are going.
Every time we'll be talking nonsense. I'm very hungry. Hey man, I'm waiting near Guegu.
Oh, okay, guys, eh? Go to your quarters because your food is served already.
Is the food there?
The meal is.
I'm coming.
Stephen, wait, I want to ask you something. Wait now. Come, wait. I want to ask you something.
Your Majesty, you look troubled. What is the problem? There's a more. Your Majesty. My heart is deeply troubled. It is about the prince and the crown. There's a more. Is it not time yet for the gods to make their revelation?
Your Majesty, you do not need to trouble yourself. At the appointed time, the gods will make their revelation.
There's a more. What I'm asking you is this. When will the eagle visit Umugo?
Very soon, Your Majesty. Very soon. Yes, Your Majesty, I will advise you invite the prince home so things will happen very fast.
My king, don't you think it's high time we bought the chief priest a car? I met him on my way out, trekking under the hot sun.
The chief priest prefers to trek. So, whether or not we buy a car for him, as far as he's concerned, it doesn't really matter. But we shall buy a new car for him. Yes.
That would be nice, my king. So, when was he here? He said you invited him, I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. He came in here and he had a message. And I'm still thinking about it. I'm pondering over it. But we'll discuss it later.
Alright. Let me go and confirm if the lunch is ready.
Do that, Queen.
Excuse me.
Bravo! Good afternoon. Thank you.
Afternoon. I'm so happy to see you.
Same here, Mama. Same here.
Welcome. No.
Yes, Mama.
Kedu?
I'm fine. Mama, look at you. You're looking so healthy. Okay, man.
Feeding well.
I trust you. I trust you. I trust you.
Welcome now.
Where are you going to?
Can you go Charlie down the road there?
Mama, welcome me first. Yeah?
Or by force?
Oh, by force.
Yeah.
See. She's just a quiet person. And her food is second to none. Yes.
Steven, funny, you go again. I know that the queen will never agree to that.
And when they come, the most important thing is that the king enjoys the food. That's the reason she's still serving the king. Yes, that's the reason she's still serving his meal. Don't you know? I'm still serving her because of the food. Do you know how many people that is calling me boy to do boy for them? And no one in my family can cook that kind of food. I'm telling you, no one can cook it. That's why I'm still here.
Steven, I forget Hi, Steven, world's greatest foodie. That's what you are.
No problem. If they give you your own this afternoon, bring it to me. I will collect it and thank you. Yes.
You
enjoy
need
the
to do
food.
your job.
Hey, Nina, why don't you go and freshen up, okay? Let me rush to the market. Your Majesty.
Good afternoon.
So you're here? Yes. Afunwa,
Yes, my queen.
I heard you now reside in the city. When did you get back?
Just now, my queen.
But you're not looking like someone that resides in the city. You look exactly like someone who has been under hard labor to make ends meet. Anyway, that's by the way. And you, why is the food not served yet?
Your Majesty, I'm so sorry. I just came back from the market. I'm sorry.
Now go in fast and prepare something. Don't keep His Majesty waiting. It's so obvious that city is not meant for someone like you.
Afunwa Lutana. Good boy, sit down.
Thank you.
What a pleasant surprise. Your mother didn't tell me you were coming.
My mother is not even aware that I'm coming.
Afunwa Elotana. I hope all is well.
Speaking the truth, Your Majesty. All is not well. Things have been so tough for me in the city. So I thought it wise to come and see if there's something I can start over here, no matter how little.
Nene. Afunwa. It's alright. Pity you had that misfortune there. But let me tell you this, you did very well by returning home. Hmm? Something needs to be done indeed, and I assure you that something must be done. Just watch out, okay?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Just take that from me.
Thank you.
Afonwa Eludana,
Majesty.
my son. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
My son,
Yes, Mom.
all will be well. Okay? Don't worry yourself.
Mom, I'm tired. I'm tired. Nothing seems to be going on well. It is from one struggle to the other. I'm tired.
I know things are not alright with the way you returned, but I want you to be hopeful. It's just a matter of time. Please, at the appropriate time, son.
When is this time?
I am telling you, at the appropriate time, everything will fall into place. Please, it's even good that you came back. At least so that I can start something here. Eh?
It's alright, Mama. I am hopeful.
Okay. Why don't you drop this and go and see Chioma so that...
Don't worry, Mama. Let me finish up and I'll go and see you.
Okay. That is one. But remember what I told you. I don't want you to lose hope. Please. If you need me, I don't know. Oh? You know go? Biko. Jido Bika Kaman. Oh? You know go?
It's fine, Mama.
Biko. Oh no.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How is the city now?
The city is very fine. Actually, I'm on my way to your house.
Eh?
Where are you going to?
I want to go to the market. How is the city?
Hope you bought something for me.
Of course, now. Don't worry, later I will bring those things.
Hey, I trust you. Oh yeah, back me now.
To the market?
Yes, now.
Are you sure?
Now.
Oh, here we go.
My king, do you think it's wise for our son to leave all he's doing and come back?
Oh, yes. Yes, it's important. He should return. As a matter of fact, his birthright awaits him.
It's alright. Since it's for good, I don't have any problem with that.
Is for good. He will return. He needs to. As a matter of fact, I will call him and discuss his return with him.
Alright, that'll be fine. I'll call him too.
You do that.
Happy, because I'm happy, because I'm happy, because I'm happy, because I'm happy. Allow me to sing and say happy. Because I'm happy.
What are you happy about?
I am so happy. My prince is coming back tomorrow.
Okay, so why are you packing your... Wait, sorry, I'm sorry. Your prince is coming back tomorrow.
Yes.
So you're leaving today?
That's why I'm packing. And we're coming from the airport because I'm happy.
So one of your, our final exams, that is in 3 days' time, when are you coming back for it?
When am I coming back? I just told you my friend is coming back and you're asking me when I'm coming back. I'm not coming back. I don't know when I'm coming back.
You're not serious. You can't be serious. I'm talking about our final exams. When are you coming back? It's in 3 days' time. So when are you back for the exams?
Are you beefing me? I just said my prince is coming back and you're telling me when am I coming back for the exams? I don't understand. I said I'm not coming back. Is it your exam?
You see, I'm tired of all these things you've been doing. All these nonsense characters you've been displaying. It's enough. It's enough. How can our final exams be in 3 days' time and you're packing your bags singing because I'm happy? You don't read that they will say, okay, fine, you come back maybe in 3 days' time in the next morning to write something. You don't go to classes. You don't join no projects at all. You don't even do your assignment. So how come you're so happy packing your bags and your exams is in 3 days' time?
I have had enough. I have had enough. Since you won't mind your business, leave me the hell alone. I'm going to meet my prince and let me warn you. I don't want to have anything to do with you again. Just stay on your own. I'm tired of you. What is it? I don't like all this. What is even your problem?
My problem is you jump from one man to another. You don't stay one place. It's either you're here at this club, you're at this meeting, one car or another is dropping you. You're busy disgracing yourself up and down. That is my problem.
I have had enough. Stay away from me. And this one you're talking of jumping from. I don't even want to see you near the palace. I don't want to see you near the prince. Before your mouth starts running like tap. Stay away from me. Anything that concerns me. Please.
So you don't want to see me anywhere close to you at all. You don't want to see me at all. Because I'm being a friend.
I heard you're the one that washed it.
Yes, I did, man.
So what is that scratch on it?
My queen, I wasn't the one that did it. I think the driver hit it somewhere.
What? My new ride? And where is that idiot?
He stepped out.
He's fired. Now when he comes back, don't allow him to enter this gate. Let him proceed to his dungeon. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, my queen.
Nonsense.
This is just a simple mistake. Why is she this angry? Fired him just like that.
Isioma, calm down. Come on, calm down.
No, my king. No! He's a reckless driver. This is not the first time. Honey, I want him fired.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
All right. I will relieve him of his post and pay him off. So that there can be peace. All right?
That's fine.
Relax. Relax.
Joy, how come you burnt my clothes and you couldn't tell me?
I'm sorry, my princess. I was going to tell you before the queen sent for me.
Sorry for yourself. Next time you do the right thing.
Come on, why did you do that?
My princess, calm down. She deserves it. You're too calm with them.
Leave us, please.
Take me, my princess.
Listen, I do not want to embarrass you right in front of the maid, but you shouldn't have done that. You should allow me handle things my own way.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Greetings, my beautiful princess.
Afoma!
Hello, Tanna.
When did you come back?
2 days now I've been around.
Do you know we stay in the same palace, but we don't get to see?
My princess, you know you are always very busy.
I know, right? Afoma!
Hello, Tanna.
Afoma!
Hello, Tanna.
Okay, I think we need to do some catching up.
Alright, whenever you're ready, just let me know.
Okay then.
It's fine.
Alright. You know Afoma, right?
Yes.
Frederick, I need a driver urgently. When I say a driver, I mean a good one. A good driver. Yes. I value my privacy. Please make it fast. Okay, thank you.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Something is about to happen. I overheard the king making a call that he wants a palace driver.
Okay.
Mama, I need that job.
Go and tell him yourself now.
No, Mama. I need you to come with me to tell the king so that he will know how important the job is to me.
Okay.
Now.
So, well, let's go.
Don't call me like that again.
Am I your husband?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, please.
Madam Ejim, you want to talk with me?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Not on your knees. Sit down. Sit down.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Yes.
Your Majesty, please. My son here said he overheard you when you were making a call that you needed a driver, so he asked me to accompany him to come and beg you for it.
Yes. Is there any problem?
He is interested in the job.
Madam Ejim. How do you expect me to give a driving job to a young and vibrant man like this? With all his sharp, hot brain. Eh? That will not be fair. My friend, I discussed this with you. I said you should be patient. Why, if you were not satisfied, you should have told me instead of running to your mother. Huh?
I'm so sorry, Your Majesty. I involved her because I want you to know how important it is for you to give me the job. I can be doing driving job for now. I've submitted my CV to so many places.
You like driving? Afunwa likes driving. Odima, you will get the job. Yes. That means you're starting tomorrow.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh.
My king. So, are you giving him the job?
Of course, yes. I mean, he needs the job.
I don't trust him to know how to drive well. I don't.
Come on, Afunwa is a good driver. Drives like a professional. You don't need to fear. However, if you feel he shouldn't drive you, why not? Get another driver. For me, I'll have to turn him into my own personal driver instead of leaving him in the pool as the palace driver.
It's okay. Let's give him a try.
Your Majesty, I think the chief priest is right. If the prince is in his homeland, I mean his fatherland, it will hasten up the whole thing. Not when he's in the foreign land. You know, the Igbo cannot go to Obodo Igbo and fall.
It's all right. No. I will immediately start making arrangements for his return.
Yeah, you really need to, because the people are beginning to be concerned about the future of the kingdom.
Actually, I would have done this long before now.
It's okay, Your Majesty, it's not too late.
This one is the one I want. Buy this one for me.
Mama, you like good things. But there's another color for you.
You know I don't like red now.
I
Like golden.
No problem, I'll get you this one. What else?
The handbag.
I got the
Greetings, my princess.
Are you done washing the clothes?
Yes, my princess.
What about cooking?
I'm also done with that.
You are free to go. I'll meet you later.
Okay, my princess. Greetings, ma.
Adam.
Adam, madam, I love the way you do things. You are the true daughter of Madam.
Now listen, thank you, Mama. I learned from the very best. The best mother.
This color. You're welcome, my husband.
Papa, good morning.
Uzamaka. 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 How many times did I call you?
Okay, Papa, what have I done? Nai, what has she done for me again?
I don't like the report I'm getting about you. You go about intimidating people just because you will soon be the wife of the prince. What if you're married to him? You start killing people that offend you.
Papa, what have I done wrong? I haven't done anything wrong. Mama, have I done anything wrong?
You have not, my dear.
Why would you see anything wrong in it? You will not see it because your mother is always supporting you. But let me tell you, the virtue of a queen is meekness and kindness, not arrogance and rudeness. Don't say I did not caution you.
Nah, you cautioned her. Mama. Why does Papa always find fault in everything
It's
I do?
okay. Don't get agitated. You've not done anything wrong. I am strongly by your side. Your father will not understand. And when it comes, the meekness and the kindness. No, when you form us. Wait till you should have not.
You were saying you like the red. Just red.
Black.
Oh no. Don't you think choosing a heir apparent to the throne is taking longer than necessary?
How do you mean?
The crown prince has just relocated abroad, and we have not heard or seen any sign from the gods.
Well, that is not an issue. His Majesty have already discussed with the chief priest. The prince will soon relocate back home and await the falling of the eagle.
That is better then. It is high time we determine the fate of this kingdom.
Of course.
Mama, I'm so happy. I can't wait for the prince to come back.
And me, I'll be very excited to see my son-in-law to be.
Yeah.
So that he will come and marry you. And my enemies will now finally hang themselves.
Okay.
Upward.
Mama, okay. In that case, I need to go to the market. You escort me. I need to get few stuff, I need to look gorgeous and wait for my prince to come back.
In that case, I will escort you to the market because I need to look good too.
You too.
Yes, gorgeous too. Your father is. Now, has he gone?
Yes. He has gone. You men are here. Please, I'm very hungry.
Oh.
Get my food.
Just give us few minutes. I'll get your food ready.
Alright, please be fast about it.
I will. So Nedi can see about those fine clothes that will bring my and I'll talk to figure it. Your father is hungry.
No problem.
Let's go and make food for your father. He's very hungry. Oh,
You need my
wait for me.
you.
I'll do that.
Thank you.
Now I am coming now.
Hi. You need to look gorgeous, pal.
Honestly, things has been so rough for me. You see, it is not easy to make it in the city without you knowing anyone, except you want to use dubious means. If not for this job I got in the palace, I didn't know where I could have started from. I was so hopeless and helpless.
This is too much to handle. Are you serious? Listen, my love. You do not need to soil your hands in any dirty business in a quest to get money. That's not your person. I believe if you have patience and you have faith, things will fall in place. I trust you.
I'll be patient and I'll also be hopeful. You know, I need to save up enough money to come and pay your bride price.
Don't worry. If you make this money next year, next month, next week, tomorrow, I am here for you. You don't have a competition, no need to rush. Trust you.
Thank you so much for your understanding, okay?
Apple money.
We love birds. So both of you are here.
Mama, welcome.
Hey, thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Mama, tell me everything. Anyone I'm part of it. What did he tell you?
We're just planning for better tomorrow.
What else?
I've been trying to tell her.
By the time I am done with him, he would know himself. He's such an ingrate and I hate ingrates. I picked him from the gutters. I pay his children's school fees. I pay his accommodation. I pay him atrociously for stupid work that he's doing. And he has the nerve to steal from me.
Can you just calm down?
How can I calm down? I can't calm down. He just cannot steal from me. What for?
And so what? Did you give him life? Are you God? I am telling you, I'm putting it to you that there was no money in that car. I took that car to school. And the police, there was a checkpoint. The police checked and asked for the papers of the car. I opened the pigeonhole and there was no money in that car.
Are you saying I didn't know the money that I kept in my pigeonhole?
Oh, you know yourself that you don't even know where you keep money. There was no money in that car. Stop accusing this poor boy.
He thinks he can mess with me. I will teach him a lesson of this.
No, okay, tell me, what are you trying to prove?
What am I trying to prove? I'm trying to show him that he can't steal from me.
Oh,
he dares not steal from me.
No, you're trying to prove that you're killing money, right? You're trying to show him, you want to downgrade him, you want to use your power on him. You know how to degrade people. You know how to look down on people. That is your problem. The young man did not take your money. There was no money in that car. And you should stop degrading. I don't like this. I don't like this.
By the time I am done with him, he will know who I am. He would know. I will teach him the lesson of his life. What rubbish? An idiot that I picked from the gutters. I take care of everything that concerns him and he does this for me. There is no problem. By the time I wake up tomorrow morning and I don't see my money, I will teach him the kind of lesson that nobody has ever taught him in his life before. Let me not see that money in the morning. He would know. What rubbish? Steal from me and get away with it.
You're just a troublemaker.
It's okay, there is no problem. Ejo ya kpata tufa abo ogaranya. Ọ ga-ekwete. I want you to deal with him. Yes. Take him to the deeper cell, the one that has the hardened criminals in it. Put him in that cell, he must suffer. Tell the criminals to deal with him. What kind of rubbish is that? Oh, he thinks he can joke with me? He dare not. I will teach him the lesson of his life. Put him with the hardened criminals. Let them beat the living daylights out of him. I want him to have series of injuries on his body. If anybody comes to bail him, lock the person up except the person is bringing my money. Yes, officer. I will teach him that money stop nonsense and nobody messes with Kele money. What kind of rubbish is that? He must, in fact, he's going to pay that money with interest. I'll call you back, officer. Yes, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Princess.
Princess, you need to calm down. Calm down. You shouldn't get worked up over nothing.
You need to see the way he was talking to this particular person. Not just him, other people. Okay, let's take for instance this particular person. He was saying, if you don't bring my money, I'll kill you. I'll look for people to kill you. Mother, that was so rude and unfair. That was rude. And I've told him countless times I do not like him disrespecting people. We're all equal, for crying out loud.
You know what is unfair? You sitting down there, judging him without hearing from him.
And what does he have to say, mother?
I don't listen. Why not call him? Sit him down. And you discuss things with him. Tell him the things you don't like. Listen, there is no smooth relationship without strong communication. Okay, tell me, how can you work together except the two agree?
Mother, I have spoken to him countless times. I just need to teach him a simple lesson. He needs to treat people equally. No matter their status, no matter the background, he needs to treat everyone equally. So I need to teach him a lesson.
teach him a lesson, you said? You know what? Don't do anything stupid.
My princess, if you ask me, I will say you should go and see him. He's been waiting for so long. You telling him you are not around now will mean so much disrespect, my princess.
Joy.
Yes, my princess.
I never remember asking for your opinion. Thanks anyway.
You're welcome, my princess.
To see me.
Princess, I have been waiting for you close to 2 hours now.
Now I'm here, what is it?
Oh, come on. Do not tell me you are reacting this way because of what happened earlier today at my place.
Kelechi, you do not get it. Listen, you need to treat people with respect. You don't treat them like animals, even though they are your workers. We're all human beings. You need to stay humble and respectful as well. You know how much I don't like disrespect. You know how much I don't like it. I can see you have nothing to say, right? Excuse me.
Princess! Princess! What the hell is wrong with her? Walking out on Kele money. Oh, please. I'm out of here.
My brother. The prince is here.
Oh, sweetheart. Ah.
Welcome, my prince.
Look at you. Mwah.
Really?
Really?
So I come now. Welcome home, brother.
Good to see you.
Mom and dad are waiting for you in there.
I
miss you.
I missed you too.
You don't miss me.
Oh, you live here.
Really? So where do I live?
Everywhere. So I called you when I got to the airport. You didn't pick me.
I tried to call you back, but you didn't take my call.
No, you are the one using the old BlackBerry.
I was not using BlackBerry. What are you talking about?
Oh. Look who we have here. Ah. Come on. Look at you. What have you been eating? Dad.
Yes, son, you were coming.
Good to see you, Dad. Good.
You're welcome home, son.
Thank you, Mama. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Am I not so surprised to see that you still work here? Still work here?
Yes, I do, my friend.
Thank you. Glad to see you.
I'm glad you're back.
Mother, I want to say a very big thank you for looking after my sunshine.
And you will pay me for that, you know.
Oh, come on, just name your price.
Fine.
You are back, my love.
No one is showering me with praise. It's just him.
Oh, there she goes.
Okay. Take all the praise.
Yeah, whatever. Welcome back.
Yeah, so, food, drink.
Food. Okay, let me just. We have to sing.
Oh no. Oh, my prince. You are welcome back home.
Thank you very much, Inogo.
We are really happy that you are seated with us here today.
I'm also happy to be here today.
I know what? Very soon by the gods, we shall crown you the next heir apparent to the throne.
Honestly, I cannot wait. Thank you very much, Inogo. Thank you. I'm so happy this is coming from you. I'll show you one thing. I will not disappoint you.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
Thank you. You are the traditional Prime Minister. Thanking you because you have just performed one important function, one duty of the traditional Prime Minister. That's what you just did now. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, my king.
And I will go and inform the rest of the elders of our meeting this evening.
Oh no.
That's my king. My prince!
Alright, Inogo. Thank you very much. Father. Alright then. Mother. My ever blazing beautiful mother.
I'm glad you're back.
I am most glad I am back.
I'll leave the two of
You should.
you. Excuse me.
Quite excused. My beautiful queen.
I did not know you were going to come back so fast.
would have such a beautiful aquarium and not come back.
Mm-hmm.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Guess what? I got some beautiful stuffs for you.
Are you serious?
But I wouldn't just give them to you.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Oh goodness, you're still a bad boy. Okay, come show me and well then.
right behind you.
Okay.
Right behind you.
Show me.
You see, this is the problem I keep having with you. Fake life. With the way you carry yourself, one would think you're the prince, not knowing that you're nothing but a palace driver.
Prince Enyinna, what is it this time?
This is one remarkable thing about you. Respect. I like the way you call me my name. Prince Enyinna. But very soon, I will be your master. Soon.
Your father employed me, not you.
With all your knowledge, education, and courage, I thought you have something up here, but you're daft. If the throne can belong to me, how much more you, the driver?
I have something important to do for the king. I don't have time for this.
You're doing it for my father, you're doing it for me. Indirectly, you are still my boy. My driver. Mother, I am still confused. Afunwa, with all his intelligence, education, courage and all, he ends up as a palace driver.
Well, the young man went to the city, but came back empty-handed. He couldn't get a job. So your father offered him this one for the meantime, till he gets one.
What a pity.
You can say that again, son. Anyway, I'll be in my room.
Alright, Mom. Easy, easy, easy.
Your Majesty, I think we should change his school.
How many times are we going to talk about changing his school? Just because of his lack of ability to comprehend simple things. How many?
But Your Majesty...
Listen. Don't bother me. I mean, take a good look at Afunwa. He goes to the same school as our son. Yet, he comes out bright.
Your Majesty, we've talked about this. You don't have to compare my son with that commoner.
The issue here is not about the school. It is about your son. Work on your son.
Your Majesty, you're hurting our son.
I don't want to talk about this again.
Excuse me, Majesty.
Afunwa Elotana. Come, sit. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good. Afunwa. Okay, you ready for school?
Yes.
What about your brother?
He's dressing.
Okay, he's dressing.
Yes.
You're a good boy.
Thank you, Mikey.
Afunwa, you will do something for me. Don't ever feel
Continue being a good boy.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, my king.
Okay, you can go and join your father. Afunwa Eletanna.
What is wrong with you? Is it because I don't beat you? Hey, present you, how can you feel this simple thing?
But I am trying, Mom.
Try harder. Put in more effort. What do I do to this boy? I don't understand. How can he feel these simple things? It's obvious you don't listen in class. You don't pay attention to your teachers. Don't you see Afunwa? Every term he comes out first. Does he have two heads? Please. Ibuzobo we say for nothing. We go do 1/10. My God.
No, it's not that this was being able to change this. Give me my pencil, I'm still there with that text. Are you my teacher? I want to teach you how to do it.
What is it? What is happening?
I said let me teach him, you don't want to let me teach you.
What kind of nonsense teaching is that? Are you his teacher?
My queen, that's enough. It is clear that Afunwa is brighter than our son. Allow him learn from him.
Your Majesty, is that why he's disturbing his lessons? Is he the one that is supposed to be teaching him?
Now you listen, both of you. I don't want to see or hear you fight again. Is that clear? Now go inside. I don't want to see the two of you fighting. Go in.
Your Majesty, I think we should get him a private lesson teacher.
The problem we have here is not about private lesson teacher. Eyina needs to learn how to study. I don't like you creating enmity between them. He has a lot to learn from Afunwa.
Your Majesty, he's my only son.
Yes.
You don't expect me to allow him, Afunwa, a commoner, to teach my son what to do.
Be guided. Afunwa is not a commoner.
I insist, Your Majesty. We need to get him a private lesson teacher. He's my only son, for crying out loud.
Yes, he's your only son. But don't forget he has a younger sister. Don't forget. And she's just a few months old.
We're getting him a private lesson teacher.
Compassion. Afunwa, congratulations. Congratulations. Youth service done and dusted. Huh? You know, Afunwa, with your first class honors degree, with that kind of performance, doors will open for you.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. See, I intend going back to the city, meeting some of my friends in search of a job.
In search of a job. First class. first-class brain going to search for a job. Come on. You can do better than that. My son Enyi, with his second-class lower, is already opting to go overseas to continue his studies. Where do you fall in that bracket? Going out? Yeah?
Your Majesty, I started running my master's program on part-time while I was serving. So round
Oh, that's better. That's better. Now this is heartwarming. That's more like it. I'm proud of you, boy. Really, really proud of you. Good.
Afonwa, isn't it obvious to you that you are not destined to be great? You're destined to always be behind me. I'm always going to be 10 steps ahead of you. I will always be your boss. Forever.
I will love her. Afonwa, she's very pretty.
Thank you, princess. Thank you, my princess.
You have eyes for good things.
What can I do now?
I'm proud of you.
What else can you do?
Greetings, my friend.
Please shut up. My sister says you have eyes for good things and all you can say is, what can I do? Nah. Driver. Fool. Stupid fool. And who is this?
That's Afonwa's fiance.
Afonwa's what?
Fiance.
You want to get married, driver? Driver!
Oh.
You want to get married? I have 5 minutes to be at an important place. You have 3 minutes to prepare.
Okay, my prince.
I'll say it with boldness.
Okay, my prince.
Good. 3 minutes. Hey, beautiful sister. I'll see you later. Fiance. 3 minutes!
Just... Hey, brother.
Hey, sis.
Can I join?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, how are you enjoying your coming back?
Just go.
What was that about this morning?
What was what all about?
Were you trying to humiliate him before his fiancée?
Do you have anything better to say?
I thought you both have settled whatever differences you have.
I don't like the boy. I don't like his guts. I don't like anything about him.
What are you talking about? He's like a brother.
He's like a brother to you. He's only a driver to me.
Come on, he's...
Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my princess.
Okay.
Your fiancé to see you.
Well, tell him I'm not disposed to see him.
Okay, my princess.
I believe that was Kelechi he was talking about.
And so?
You're avoiding him.
I am not avoiding him. I'm only teaching him a lesson.
Well, probably I should just keep my opinion to myself.
Well, you should keep it. But seriously, he is a brother to us.
Yeah, where is she?
I'm sorry, sir. She's not disposed to see you now.
Did you tell her who is waiting?
Yes, sir, I did.
I think I need to see her myself.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. She doesn't want to see you now, please. I think we might come back later. Please.
Alright, I'm sorry I won't be accompanying you to shop today. I have an important meeting.
Okay, my love.
But I'm sure you have enough money. Alright, so gently. Drive my queen to wherever she wants to go.
Okay, my prince.
Is that okay, my prince? Don't go driving James Bond. Drive carefully. What did I say?
Drive carefully.
Good. Just in case the idiot decides to drive like a stupid fellow that he has always been, do not hesitate to call me.
I won't. If you like, don't behave yourself.
Alright, my queen. Mwah. 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 Alright.
Okay?
Call me.
I will.
What are you looking at?
I won't be going to the palace now. I want to go to my house and drop this for my mom.
Okay.
Okay, what? The next time you want to answer me, you say, okay, my princess. I am the future queen. Accord me some respect.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Better. Let me have the stuff. Give me 30 minutes, I'll be back so you take it back to the palace.
Alright.
Are you crazy?
I'm sorry, alright, my princess. I'm sorry.
Better. I'll be back 30 minutes, wait for me. Are you telling me? I am telling you, the prince is just spoiling me silly. He was one that gave me money I used to buy all those stuff. I can God, I'm telling you, I'm so happy. Are you serious? Yes. I hope you also got stuff. Hold on, Mama. Who do you think the stuff I dropped inside the gorgeous clothes? Told me, are you serious? I'm serious, Mama. The bag, the whole stuff you asked for, the inside the other liner you didn't check.
The red wrist.
Yes, Mama.
The handbag.
Yes.
I am so happy.
I know, Mama.
Hi.
Mama, I need to go back to the palace. I just came to drop the stuff for you. Yes.
I hope you give me the full gist when you come back.
Trust me now. I will.
I
will.
Hi.
Mama, I'll call you.
So I should go in and check.
Mama, go in and check
the gorgeous gown
yes,
and the...
Mama. Wait for the...
Asamo! Why you yes, now. Okay. Let me quickly go and check the gorgeous clothes before your father will come back.
Sorry, my princess. You said I should give you 30 minutes. So I noticed the car has low pressure and tire.
Are you mad? I asked you to wait for me and you left. Just 30 minutes. You left me under this... Which car? Which car has low pressure? I didn't see it. What lights? Get back to this car and take me back to the palace.
But you didn't have to slap me.
Oh, now that I have slapped you, will you slap me back? Will you? My friend, will you get into the car and take me back to the palace? Don't try this nonsense again. Don't. Get into the car. You want more slaps?
Can you just shut up? Shut up! Can you just shut me? Listen to me. I've been doing business with your father for more than 10 years. I have no problems with him. What's your problem? You've been begging me to give you this contract. I'm giving you the contract. Can you just deliver? Idiot! Then shut up. Shut up. 24 hours you don't deliver, you see what I'll do to you. Fool! Now get out of my phone.
My prince!
What?
My prince, can you imagine? Afuma left me under the sun. He claimed he went to pump the tires, and when I complained, he slapped me. My prince, he left me under the sun. My skin was... But we were just staring at me like a lowlife.
Afuma,
he slapped me, my prince.
Afuma! Just wait a minute. Afuma! Where's he? Did you slap my queen? That is for slapping my queen. Now let's carry on with other things. What did he do to you?
He slapped me.
That's not what you do. Get! To slap my queen! Raise up your hand! Raise up your hand! Face the sun! What did he do to you?
I hate you! Take him back! Take him right back! Go, take him back! You, leader! Now hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Close your eyes! Next time you lay this stupid, filthy hands on my wife, that'll be the last one. You hear me? Face the sun! Let's go. Let's go. Next time you touch my queen, I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
Nah. What is it? Did you have a fight? Or when can you along?
Mama, is it not the prince and his girlfriend? Both of them slapping me over nothing. Is it because I'm in this condition? Walking in the palace as an ordinary driver? They'll now be treating me like trash.
Afwan, it's okay. Hmm? Whatever happens here, just relax yourself, okay? I want you to do something for me. There is hope for better tomorrow. Just look unto God. You know, go. People.
Ma, when is this tomorrow?
I'm
tired.
Relax.
I'm tired.
This is just a phase. That's all. It's no more than that. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. It's okay. Okay? Yeah?
Please help me work on that file. If you open it, you find out that all the pages have figures to the left. Add them up and, if possible, do the analysis on the right. Okay?
Okay.
It's something I know you can do.
Of course I can. Thank you, Your Majesty.
That boy has proven that he is a worthy son. Yes. It just worries me that I'm yet to secure the promised good job for him. Anyway, it's still early days yet. I will redouble my efforts. Yes. I'll get him something.
not that you're seriously working like this. Are you writing another application?
No, Mama. I'm actually working on a file His Majesty gave to me.
I pray you'll be employed very soon.
Mama, it's not easy. You see, most of these companies are privately owned. And they will end up employing their family members and friends. It is not about potentials these days.
It's well. Now, believe it or not, eh? Something good will happen to you very soon. Idani?
I pray so.
It will. Let me see the queen. I'll see you later.
Okay, Mama.
Mana they kwa from now kwa. I'm not talking all on it.
Deliver this at so short a time.
No, Your Majesty. Actually, I've been on it since morning.
Good evening, Dad. Good evening, son.
Good evening, my prince.
What are you reading for?
You did not respond to his greeting. Anyway, just going through the analysis he brought in. Fast work. Same work I gave you which you could not deliver. He did it under 12 hours.
Can I have it?
Want to see it?
Yeah, I want to see it.
Yeah. Maybe we should start from here.
Why I'm not impressed? I don't like the presentation.
You don't?
It's not nice. You take a proper look at it.
I do like his presentation. Maybe you lacked the capacity to understand what he put down here.
Must you insult me in front of others, driver?
Merely stating the obvious. See, son, humility is a virtue. You have one or two things to learn from him. get you something more
Enyi nna ya, enyi. Where's Afunwa? Where's Afunwa?
I sent him on an errand.
Why?
I don't understand. What do you mean, why? An errand boy. Everyone is entitled to send him on an errand.
Enyi, that boy was employed as a palace driver. And I have my reasons. You do not have any right turning him into your errand boy. Okay?
Copy.
What did you say?
Yes, I heard you.
All right.
Where's he yelling? It's an errand boy.
My king, please calm down.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Look at him. Tell him. That boy is not his errand boy. He's not.
If he needs an errand boy, let him go round. Hire one of the messengers and send him. Let him leave that boy alone.
I don't understand. He is my driver.
He is not your personal driver. And certainly not your errand boy. I did not employ him so. I employed him as a driver in this palace. Now look at it, I needed him. I didn't see him. Why? You took him away. Now what if there was an emergency? What would have happened? I see. That's what's wrong with you. You never admit to being wrong. Now listen, henceforth, do not send him on any errand. Right? That's an order.
Why is he not fair to me?
Hey, very funny.
I'm telling you.
Hey, Mama. Did anybody get the queen angry?
Why?
I've been noticing this thing for a long time now. Each time I come here and I greet her, there's this frown on her face like she wants to strangle me.
Leave that one. Forget that one. Anytime you come here, greet her, whether she answers you or not. Just come back.
Come straight to this place. So that's what she believes.
That one.
Meanwhile, be careful with that man. Okay. It's very sharp. Boy, I report to her. Go. Go.
My queen.
Greetings, my queen.
What is she doing here?
You're welcome, my queen.
That has not answered my question.
She came to help you.
But you never told me you're tired of this job, did you?
No, my queen. It's not like that. It's not like that.
You came to help your mother-in-law, right?
Yes, my queen.
What a good girl.
Thank you, my friend.
Now take your dirty self out of my kitchen. Next time you want to practice good girl, not in my palace. Get out! Come on here! Get out! This must not repeat itself again. Meet me up for further instructions.
Ma, what kind of embarrassment is this?
Afunwa. Afunwa. Afunwa na laptop biko. Afunwa.
Your back, Susie.
My friends, I couldn't go again. You're stupid and useless driver. Bashed the car.
You're joking, are you?
I'm not.
You did what?
He bashed the car.
Afunwa. What happened to my car?
Someone was reversing and bashed it.
The person was reversing. He did not bash your life. He did not bash your entire generation. He bashed my car.
My friends, it was a mistake.
It was a mistake. It's a mistake that you're alive. It's a mistake you're in this palace. It's a mistake that you came to this world in the first place. Someone bashed my car and you allowed that person go scot-free. You will fix that car with your hard-earned money.
And I'm sure he was pressing his phone.
He was pressing his phone?
Yes.
While driving you?
Yes.
Why are you pressing your phone while driving my queen?
Prince, I wasn't pressing my phone.
I give you 24 hours to fix that car. If you do not fix that car, I will have your lungs and kidney weaved together.
Well, my friends, it wasn't my fault.
It is your effort. It's your effort that you had that car bashed. Like I said, 24 hours. If you don't have it fixed, I will have your liver and your lungs and your kidney weaved together. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. Look at him. Always walking like... I love him so sorry.
Keep spoiling my day.
But I'm here to make your day.
Oh, okay.
See, I have your day made already.
Yeah, I trust.
What is it?
Mama, for how long am I going to keep tolerating this nonsense?
What happened?
The prince forced me to repair the car we went out with today. Simply because someone bashed the car. Not even my fault. And yet he's forcing me to fix the car. Mama, fixing this car is going to cost me a very huge amount of money. Almost my 2 months' salary.
No, it's okay. I want you to see this whole thing as a preparation for a better tomorrow. Please.
How? You know how badly I need this money. I am saving up this money so that I can pay Chioma's bride price.
Chioma is yours and she's going nowhere. Don't let this whole thing weigh you down, please.
I'm tired of this preaching. Honestly, I'm tired.
Please, Lord. It's well.
Prince, I'm done fixing the car.
Can you ever be real for once? My friends, and done with the car. What did you say?
I'm done fixing the car.
Good. I hope you fixed it properly.
It's properly fixed.
Ah, that's the word. Properly fixed. Go ahead.
Hey sis.
What is going on?
Someone bashed the car. The prince asked me to fix it. It cost me my 2 months salary to fix it.
My goodness. It wasn't your fault, right?
It wasn't my fault.
Okay, I'll give you a refund. It's fine.
No, my princess. No, please.
I insist.
My princess, please. It's okay. I'm fine.
Feels good to be a boss.
That was so unjust.
I'd rather not talk about it.
Oh, you will talk about it, brother. You will talk about it. I mean, when will you start seeing Afunwa as family? He has lived with us for so many years. And where is all this hatred and trying to claim I am the boss coming from?
It's your opinion doesn't count. I hate the guy. I hate him. He's always full of himself. Feeling so proud.
Oh, really? And that is because you have failed to understand the kind of person that he is. How do you expect an educated man to dance to your tune? Just like that? Yeah. Thinking about it, you are the one feeling proud. Yes, you are. You are the one feeling proud. And that is why you couldn't get yourself to learn from him. You watch the way you treat people. You watch the way you treat people. You were never like this. Or is this particular attitude because of Afunwa? I mean, that is the reason I have issues with Kelechi. The way he treats people. You have pride. Learn how to treat people right. We are all human beings for crying out loud. What the hell? Let you treat people fairly, please. What nonsense.
This girl is really getting on my nerves.
Now you know the kind of things she dislikes. The kind of man she wants. It is better you desist from those things she frowns at. And build yourself towards becoming a kind of man she wants you to be. Listen, Kelechi. If truly you love my daughter, you just have to dance to her tune.
I have my queen. But she is not ready to give me a listening ear. She wouldn't even let me see her.
It's alright. I'll talk to her. Just be a little patient.
My queen, can I at least see her?
Not to worry. I will make sure she fixes a date with you.
Thank you, my queen. I know that I can always count on you. I should be on my way now. And I will be expecting to hear from her. Thank you, my queen. Have a nice day.
Kelechi, take it easy, okay?
Thank you, my queen. I will be expecting to hear from her. Thank you.
Mother, you sent for me.
I sent for you since. And you're now showing up. Because you know he has gone, right?
I don't want to see him.
Oh, you want to see him? You won't see him. Listen. He's very sorry for all his mistakes.
Oh.
Yes. And from the look of things, he's now a changed person. So cut down on this attitude of yours and discuss things with him. Tell him things he needs to know. Then you move ahead with your friendship before he slips off your fingers.
Really?
Yes. I have told you. This attitude of yours is not healthy. My princess, every relationship needs a healthy, strong communication. Find time to sit with him. Talk with him and he will understand. Then you move ahead with your friendship.
Okay. Like I said, I'll think about it.
The only problem I have with you is this your stubbornness.
Ah, but you love me that way, Mama. Huh?
Do I have a choice?
You don't have a choice. I only wanted to teach him just no.
And it's okay. Teacher. Teach him no more.
Fine. I like the way he's begging actually. You should beg some more.
Fine.
My food is ready.
Precious, come back here. Do you know that you are very stupid and lazy? How long is it taking you to prepare food for my mother? Where did you go to? And you're supposed to just go to the market. Why are you taking all the time in the world? Do you want my mother to have ulcer?
I'm sorry.
Mom, what's counter? This girl is very stupid and lazy.
Precious.
How long is it going to take you? Mother, what is wrong with kids of nowadays? I just sent her to the market and she's taking all the time in the world.
Barely 1 hour I came to this place. She went to the market, came back and prepared food. What is it?
Mother, I pay her very well to prepare food on time in this house.
She should die because you pay her very well.
We have almost everything in the freezer.
Can you cook? Can you prepare food? That is the problem. And that is the same problem the princess is complaining about. What is it? I've talked to you time with that number. Yet, you cannot change your ways. What is it about this hot temper of a thing? Can't you control yourself? With this, you're going to lose the princess to another man. I promise you that, if you don't change your ways. What is it?
Mother, she's not picking my calls.
You see it? You see it? The princess is the problem. I'm not Precious. You're just trying to put everything on her. Take it easy. Life is not like that. You don't treat other people like trash. Treat them well. They are humans just like you.
Mother, are you saying I shouldn't talk to my staff when they're not doing the right thing?
I didn't say you shouldn't do that, but you calm down, not shouting, not beating them. Will you be happy if somebody hits your own child like that? Take it easy on people, please.
I will talk to the princess. Okay?
Your food is ready. But are you going to call her today? Please. Good morning.
Mama. Where are you going to? Where are you? Chioma! Chioma! Chioma, come back here! Hey! You know, say I'm up. Now, we are there. Here, not alone. I'm going to check you. Yeah.
I don't understand what happened at your place. I greeted your mother. Instead of her to answer my greetings, she hissed.
No, don't worry. See, I think my mother was angry. That's why she did that. But don't worry. I'll just check. Please, now.
Are you sure that everything is fine?
Everything is okay. Don't worry, I'll come to your house later. You know, go. Oh, yeah, smile now. Smile now. Smile, no. When your teeth smiles. I am still feeling like this, yeah? Fine, boy.
It's alright.
I'll see you later. You
It's
know, go.
okay. It's okay.
Alright, right. What's the meaning of what you did?
You are very stupid for asking me that question. Ever since you're dating that good for nothing useless boy, what has he given you? Nothing. Empty hand, nothing. He went to the city and came back with nothing. Empty hand, nothing.
Mama, the last time I checked, Afunwa is my boyfriend. He's dating me and not you. So I wonder why you are expecting gifts. Secondly, I love him so much and that is all that matters. I believe that with time things will fall in place.
Oh, I love you so much. I love you, so you're dating me, not you. I think I have to involve your father people so that when it will finally happen, nobody will blame me. Nobody will blame you.
Mama, listen, you have to stop this right now. You have to stop this thing right now. I don't like it. I do not like it. Why you involving my father's people here now?
Okay. Itogonu, I love him so much. I love him so much. If you don't leave my side now, I will hit you with this bucket.
Mama, listen, with or without your consent, I must marry.
Oh, you can somebody that don't even have any shishi. The one you don't have. You want boyfriend. Other people is coming back with somebody that has big cars. And you went and carry that good for nothing one.
That was what the woman said. And when I... Sorry? You're looking sad. What is it?
Is it not Chioma's mother?
What did she do?
I think she's tired of me leaving her daughter on without coming to pay her bride price.
She told you that?
Not really, but I saw it in her actions.
How are you sure you're not misinterpreting her actions? Chioma's mother and Kemma. I have told you to relax. Zukwanike. Everything will be alright. I don't like seeing you like this. Bikon, relax. You know?
It's okay. I'll relax.
Like I was saying, if you see what this woman said with her mouth, Afu welo tenna. Odogu.
Your Majesty, there is no sacrifice to be offered. Let us wait on the gods.
But it is taking much longer this time around. In the history of our land, it has not taken this long for the eagle to fall.
Oh, no. The gods are wise. The ways of the gods are not the ways of men.
No. Getting deeply worried.
Your Majesty, Ugo Gada no Mugo. Do not trouble your heart, for there are brighter days ahead.
The chief priest said no sacrifices are required, just patience.
I know we have to be patient, but that doesn't mean we should not be worried.
You're right.
Anyway, let's just hope for the best.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Lord. Thank you. I'm fine, sir. Thank you, Majesty.
Let me send for her. Excuse me.
Yes, my dear. So, how is business?
Business is moving very well, Your Majesty. Thank you.
Good.
You cannot force me to speak with you. I will speak with you when I'm ready.
Oh, come on, baby. We need to talk. Okay? You need to give me a listening ear.
Talk about what? Please leave.
Honey, I said I am sorry. For how long are you going to keep punishing me this way?
For as long as possible until you change.
But I am a changed man already.
Where? I can't see any changes in you.
I love the princess so much, and I do not want to lose her. Her kind is rare. How I wish she would just understand and listen to me. She is right after all. We all are humans and equal, and no one should be treated with disrespect and hatred. Someone I once treated unfair tried to kill me when he eventually made it. He feels it's a way of taking his pound of flesh. A real man is supposed to be humble, kind and honest. I am ready to be that man. I will have to try again. Maybe this time around, she will give me a listening ear.
You know so well that I love your son. But he portrays a character that I do not like. He is very rude. The way he speaks to people. How? The other day we went out at the eatery. All of a sudden he embarrassed the waiter. What did he do? I asked him. He said the waiter spat on him. I mean, how would you slap someone? I mean, the way he talks down on people is really, really bad. How many staff has he thrown out of this house? Chef, gatesman, cook? Mother, I can't take it anymore. Mother, I am known for peace and simplicity. I am not comfortable with your son's character. He needs to change. He needs it seriously.
My daughter, everything you've just said is the truth. I've really talked to my son at length. We have been vlogging on the same issue. I am begging you. At least this period, you really taught him a lesson. He could not eat, he could not sleep. He thinks about you. He's crazily in love with you. Please, forgive him. He will change. His father was like this. Not until I put him in his place. He changed. So I know he took after his father. I know you didn't want to come because of my son. But you came because you know I'm going tomorrow. You are the only one that can change him. And you're really doing a good job.
Mother, I only came here because I heard you around. I just came back from school. I came all the way straight here. I haven't gotten home.
School? Are you still schooling?
Yes, Mother. I'm running my master's degree program.
Wow. That's good to hear. It's okay. Thank you very much for giving me a listening ear.
No problems. I just want your son to change. That's
He will change. He will surely change. You've really taught him a lesson.
Thank you. Okay, so where is he?
He is not yet back from work, but all the same, let me serve you something.
No.
Either drink, food, or anything.
Mother, no, it's still my house. I can't go.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
What is bothering my princess? You don't look happy.
I don't.
It is written all over you. What is it?
It's about my fiancé. I do not like the way he behaves.
Have you tried talking to him?
Severally. But he's adamant about it. I even went ahead to teach him a lesson, but then again, he's threatening to end the relationship. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. It's okay. You don't need to get yourself worked up, okay? You know what they say, men and their ego. Just try to make things work. Sit out with him, talk things over. Okay?
Are you sure that will work?
Positively.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's fine. So can we talk about something else?
Bring it on. Okay, sure we go.
Okay. Like today.
Nega, I'm not comfortable going for this, and you know it. I know. But she's still our friend, right? Our friend, you said? Yes. Don't you notice she's feeling so important? Like, she's feeling too important right now. See, I'm okay on my lane, so she can continue on her royal speed lane. Please. Madam Lane, let's go first. We should be happy for our friend if anything good is happening to her, right? Let's go, okay?
What are you girls doing here?
You at least offer us a seat now. Instead
what?
of giving us attitude.
As what? Did I invite you girls here?
Come on, Uzamaka. We are your friends now. You cannot reduce us to serve you as your mates because you are engaged to the prince. Haba.
Ha! You are my friends. The last time I checked, I am no longer in your level. Yes, I stepped up. The class of people I should be seen with are the likes of the princess. What do you want me to be doing with riffraff like you girls? When you're done talking, you can leave my house.
What? What is wrong with you, Seth? What is the matter with you?
I don't understand. Why? What don't you get? I am no longer in your level. Just leave my house. I shouldn't be seen with low life like you girls. Now please get out from my house. Leave! I said leave.
It's not your fault. I don't blame you. Uzamaka, this is not nice.
I said leave! This is not nice. I'll go to marry
Amara, wait now, wait! Please now, sorry. See, do you know you caused all this? Because I told you we shouldn't go to her house. Now I see. Amara, I know, and I'm sorry. I thought she was going to reason with us. I don't even know she's worse than before. I'm even regretting it myself. See, please, do not invite me for this kind of visit again with you. I promise. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, let's go.
Mama, what is it? Why are you like this?
It's something I can handle.
Something you
I
can
can handle it.
handle. Something that's making you this worried, and Mama, you're crying.
I'm not crying.
Mama, you're crying. Please, what is the problem? Talk to me, Mama.
The people I'm owing, they won't let me rest. They've been calling me, insulting me. 5 minutes they will call me. 5 minutes interval they will call me. The meeting people.
The people that you're owing. Mama, and you're crying. When I'm around.
Not when
I'm here, Mama. I am the future queen. There is no problem the prince cannot solve. Ah, Mama, no, stop crying. Please, I don't want to see you cry. Okay, calm down. Mama, how much are we talking about here? Mama, I said how much?
100,000.
Oh, Mama, stop now. You're crying because of 100,000 naira. I don't understand when I'm here.
100,000. Not
when I'm here. Please stop crying. Do they have accounts I can transfer this money to or something? In the meeting game when you're meeting people. Mama, do they have accounts? Okay, I'll transfer it to your account. I'm going to transfer 200,000 naira into your account.
Mama. You're going to do what?
I will transfer 200,000 naira into your account. Pay them the money you owe them. Then keep the change. Buy them drinks. Just buy everything.
Yes, in him, Mama. Who said having a beautiful daughter is a taboo?
Mama, sit down. I'm not done.
Yes, I should give them 100,000.
I pay them their money now. Then
buy drinks for them.
Keep the remaining. Just
like
look
drinks of 20,000.
Any amount you want.
And use 80,000 to look
gorgeous.
Goodness.
You know I like you. I love seeing you looking gorgeously dressed.
Hey.
Yes.
How I wish they will call me now.
Hey, exactly. Don't worry.
Let me talk to them.
Don't worry. I just pray they'll call you now. You give me the phone, I'll talk to them.
You will talk to them?
Name the phone, leave the rest.
It's here going 200,000.
200,000, but I don't want to see you cry.
I will not cry. Why will I cry? If after looking gorgeous, then I'll come
and Mama!
I will not come and kill myself.
At all. Please.
They will take Wednesday.
Okay.
In fact, I'll be the one to call them.
No, Wednesday.
He's in the room now.
As far as I'm concerned, nothing is happening. It's bedlam here. As I am here now, I'm not even breathing. Yes. Confusion. Okay. Afuma. Who is after you?
Your Majesty, I saw something strange outside.
Something like what?
I don't know. You need to see it.
Outside where?
Just outside.
A sign from the gods. A sign that it is time to crown the next heir apparent to the throne. Your Majesty, we have to wait to hear from the gods what next to do.
Oh no! Your Majesty! Your Majesty, I'm so happy.
Oh no. Oh no, I am very excited. Do you know that I actually had sleepless nights over this thing. Several nights of sleeplessness.
Finally.
Yes.
The next heir apparent will be crowned.
Oh yes. Ozibo, Ozibo. Oh no, we're going to celebrate this. Okay? In fact, we shall go in and we shall dine together today. Huh? Now, after that, you will have to go to the chief priest. Huh? Ask him how we're going to get set. How we're going to get prepared for this event. Okay?
It's okay.
Come.
Consider it done, Your Majesty.
Come.
You saw it first?
Yes, Mama. It fell right before me. And the king was very, very happy. So finally, Enyina will be crowned as the next heir apparent to the throne. Eh? Hey!
Well, let's wait and see what the gods have to say.
What the gods have to say? What else will the gods say? They have already given their consent. If not, the eagle wouldn't have landed.
Son, you won't understand.
Madam, you won't understand.
His Majesty asked me to inquire from you if there's any further directives from the gods.
Oh no. There is no further directives from the gods. The prince will be crowned in the next 14 days. But remember, he must not be crowned without a wife.
Chief priest will know. That will be settled before the coronation date.
Then there is no problem. Tell His Majesty, let him calm down. Everything is in control.
It's okay, he will hear. Thank you, the great one.
You are welcome.
My dear, this is a huge progress in our kingdom, you know. Finally, the eagle has fallen, and has fallen for the good of everyone. He looks mean and wicked, just the opposite of his father. He took after his mother, obviously. You know we shouldn't be seen or heard talking about the royal family in this manner. I'm not ready for royal punishment this time. You don't mean it.
I am just coming back from the palace.
You mean the eagle we are talking about is now at the palace?
Of course! Is there? Live!
Oh man! Are you serious? Mama, I'm rushing back to the palace right away. I'm coming, let me get back.
So finally,
How?
Chukwu Okike, Okisi Alo.
Nice. So what is happening there now?
The ways of the gods are not the ways of man.
Hey! My prince. I'm so happy, my love. My father told me what happened at the palace earlier.
Yes, soon I will be crowned heir apparent to the throne of my palace.
Oh gosh, I can't wait! I can't wait!
Of course, you are going to be my queen.
I am super excited! I can't wait!
I know. Without wasting much time, let us
proceed with the arrangements, the marriage arrangements. Okay. Fine. Okay. You should start walking like a queen.
Okay. My shoulders high. Oh, okay. Yeah, right. And step with you.
Oh no. The most important message we got from the chief priest is that we should get a wife for the prince before his coronation.
Yes, Your Highness.
In that case, you should be expecting me and my people in your house. We will be coming to take our wife.
Interesting. You're most welcome, Your Majesty.
So, we'll be expecting the list, and I appeal to you to give us the list in time to enable us make the necessary procurement of the items required.
That won't be a problem, Your Majesty. I will do that immediately.
Good. That settles that now.
My daughter, I want to advise you as your father. I know you are super excited that finally the prince is coming to marry you. And by that, you're going to become the next queen of the kingdom. All I beg you is for you not to disgrace this family. Don't go out there behaving like a lady that was not brought up well.
How can you say a thing like this? I did a very good job in bringing my daughter up, and you're talking like a faithless man.
I know what I'm saying, my daughter. Don't allow the crown of a queen to get into your head. The virtue of a queen is meekness and kindness, not rudeness or arrogance. You be a mother of all, so that you will have respect in the whole kingdom.
Papa, I've had no problem.
Good.
To be a queen's father. You want to tell me you're not happy being a queen's father? Look at this family. Which family? You know what's wrong with your father? Poverty. Manner with you. I know you're going to liberate us. Asamo, don't mind him. My beautiful Ada Beke. I'm not even worried, Mama. Do you know what is doing me? I cannot wait to be married to the prince. Oh my goodness, and I can marry a father.
No. I think it's time for you to introduce Choma to His Majesty. Now that you've decided to settle down with her. So that His Majesty Amalu officially. You
think it's the right thing to do?
It is. It is, yes.
I never thought of it that way.
Because even now, I'm your mother. If you're not thinking towards this direction, I will make you think towards that direction. You know, so that formally will show up officially. You know? She's the right one, isn't it?
She is now.
Good, so that she should be known. Because so, invite her over. You know?
Okay. I will send for her.
Good.
I'll send for her.
Afon,
Majesty.
you have done well. You have done well in bringing your better half, your future wife, to me. Okay, see me. So, what's your name?
My name is Chioma, Your Majesty.
See, whose daughter are you?
Daughter of the late Amadi, Ichi Amadi.
Lady Chiamadi was a member of this Igwe in Council. May our gods rest his soul. He was a simple man, but he was loyal. Yes, I remember him. See? It's alright, my daughter. Anything you need, let me know. Ojogugu. If in any way, he does anything bad to you,
Yes, Your Majesty.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Mama! Mama, it worked! It worked! The king even told her to come to him whenever she needs anything.
Okay. I've always known this man to be a just and kind-hearted person.
Mama, I am so excited. Super excited.
You should. Maybe you could control this excitement. Have you called the chairman?
I called her impromptu now, so she left everything she was doing. Said let her go and get something for the mother. She'll come later.
I'm happy for you.
I'm so happy, Mama. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
So very soon my brother will be someone's husband.
Of course, you know I am capable.
Yes. My son is capable.
Well, that is not what I am saying. It's not about being capable. Marriage has to do with tolerance and patience.
You know what? I cannot wait for you to go to your husband's house so that you can practice what you preach.
Thank you. I am tired of her in this house.
Mother, you're supporting my brother over me?
You're too troublesome.
Okay. I'll soon be off to see our wife. I mean, I need to know how she's preparing for tomorrow's occasion. I cannot wait.
I'll go with you.
Not possible. You will see her just after your marriage ceremony, so just calm down. You eat her, drink her, whatever you want to do, just after your marriage ceremony. So calm down, relax, okay? Look at your face.
Now I'm convinced why Molly said that you are the most.
Hey, what's happening? How can there be a family meeting without the head of the family? Come on, sit down.
Father,
Relax.
where have you been?
I was with Afoma. He presented his fiancée.
She's so pretty, Dad. She's so pretty.
You're right there. I was impressed. Really impressed.
Please, can we say something else? At least more interesting topic.
Excuse me.
Have you seen her? Dad. I can't wait to bring my husband to the palace.
My love, my princess, my most priceless possession, Ogim, the woman of my dreams. I am sorry from my heart. You can see that I am now a changed man because I know that is what you want from me. I am ready to play by your rules and love you endlessly.
My love, I'm sorry about the way I treated you. I didn't mean to. I only wanted you to understand that everyone is equal, so should be treated the same. I'm sorry.
I'm glad because I have come to learn how to do things the right way. Thank you.
I love you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
And I miss you.
Really?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Please. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother.
Yes, I'm happy, very, very happy for a successful marriage ceremony between both of you. We thank our gods, for seeing to the success of this whole thing. My daughter,
My king.
welcome. Welcome to this royal household. Household where there is joy, where there is happiness. So, feel free.
Thank you, my king. Come here.
So, thank you very much, Father. Thank you very much, Mother. Can I have privacy with my new bride? Oh. Who's holding you?
Go ahead.
That's fine. Excuse me.
Love is a beautiful thing.
Yes. Why are you laughing and smiling? Come on. Your mind went back to years and years ago.
My king, stop.
I caught you.
Keje mareze. Keje mareze mo. Keje mareze. 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 My prince. Come. Oh no. Go ahead.
Father, you know, say,
Put that cap!
how can you have such a malnourished nose?
Myself.
Mother, it has not gotten to this. It has not gotten to this. Why are you crying?
How do you mean? Let it not be that the gods have rejected my son.
Nothing will happen. Calm down.
So, why then is the coronation unsuccessful? Tell me.
Mother, I don't know what to say. But I believe the chief priest has the right answers that we seek. You have to calm down. Everybody needs to calm down. Let's be patient. Okay? It's okay.
What do I do now?
Just relax. Relax. Everything is going to be fine. Let's just wait for the chief priest. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay.
I don't want to hear a word from you. What do you mean calm down? The coronation was unsuccessful and you asked me to calm down? Do you know what I miss? Tell me! What reason? This is the reason I left the United States. This is the reason I came back and it's unsuccessful. Ask me to calm down. There will be no calm down! There will be no calm down! Leave me alone!
But please, I understand how you feel, but you need to take it easy on yourself.
Your Majesty, please calm down. Calm down.
How do you ask me to remain calm? How do you begin to ask me to remain calm? What happened here has never been seen, has never been heard of in the history of this kingdom. Ah!
My fellow Ichis, Your Majesty is very right. I believe something is wrong somewhere. Let us all wait and find out from the chief priest later.
Your Majesty, please. Please. You need to calm down. Please. I agree with him. Something must be wrong somewhere. I believe the chief priest will give us an answer to all we seek. I'll go to see later.
Chief priest. Chief priest. The chief priest that could not even wait. The chief priest that bolted away
The chief priest. Ah, the chief priest!
What actually is wrong? Honestly, no, I am surprised. That question is for the chief priest to answer.
Are the gods angry?
No one can say.
Anyway, I will go right away and see him. I mean the chief priest.
That is a very good idea, no. I will have to take my leave too. Maybe I can come back and find out what he said.
It's okay. No problem.
Greetings to your family.
Yeah, no worry.
I am confused. Maybe the gods are angry. Because I don't see any reason why the gods should reject him.
The gods are wise. And they will make their revelations known to us at the appropriate time. Okay?
Mama, you speak like a seer or something related to that.
Seer what? One. I'm not a seer. But don't worry. You will understand this whole thing very soon. Okay? You will. You will.
Oh no. The gods are still silent about what happened today at the palace. I have no answer to it.
What is going on?
Eh? Everyone is worried. Very, very worried. Oh no. Patience. Patience, oh no. Until the gods make their revelations.
It's okay. It's okay. Omalicham, I understand how you feel. Don't worry. Nothing will go wrong. Wipe your tears. Go back to the palace. My enemies must be put to shame. Ebezina. Ebena. No. Hey, Omalicham. Ebezina. Ebezina no. Hi. Go just so much ade ba akwa ebena nwam no. Oh. No. Hey. Na start is akwa start. Ozona ndo.
It's a trial period for the royal household, and it's throwing everyone off balance.
I understand, my lord. It is always like this when something unexpected happens, especially if it's not a pleasant one.
We only hope for good news.
I just need you to relax your mind and know that the right things will happen at the right time. Okay?
You know you only say things to make me feel better. Thank you. Thank you.
No. Honestly, I don't know what is happening around here. No one is saying anything, especially the chief priest. The news is everywhere that the gods rejected me.
Gods forbade. My son. No one can reject you. You cannot be rejected by the gods.
until the end of today. And I go to.
Look, we all need to calm down. Let's all be patient. The chief priest will give us answers soon.
Hey!
Nothing should happen to my son's birthright. It is his rightful position. He must be crowned.
No. Greetings, Your Majesty. No, Your Majesty. The chief priest says the gods have not made any revelation concerning the issue yet.
What nonsense is that? What arrant nonsense is this? For how long am I expected to wait? For how long will I be in suspense? Has my son been rejected by the gods? Has he not been rejected? I need to know!
Please, Your Majesty, take it easy. I believe very soon we'll get answers to these questions.
Amara, I heard the God rejected Prince Ina.
Maybe I heard it too. That's how Susamaka writes. Let me now see how she will be claiming to be the next queen of Ezumezu's kingdom.
But wait, now that the gods rejected Prince Ina, what's going to happen next?
Simple. Another person will be chosen, of course.
And who is the another person? Because the king doesn't have another male child.
My dear, the kingship will be transferred to another family. But wait, who even knows what he did that made the gods reject him?
This is really strange.
Zemmo, can you explain why my son's coronation was aborted?
Your Majesty, the gods have made their revelations. The mystery to all this lies here in the palace.
No, how do you mean now?
You will understand. Soon, you will understand.
My king, the mystery lies in the palace.
That's what I said. That's what I heard him say. I went for clarification. Now I ended up being confused the more.
Let it not be that there are some evil spirits in this palace.
No. There are no evil spirits here. There cannot be evil spirits here. Your form resides here. As long as it's here, there cannot be any evil spirit.
Okay. Then let's be patient.
Yes. Let's be patient.
Your Majesty, this is the day we all have been waiting for. A day set aside to review what is hidden. Your Majesty, remember, I told you that the mystery of all that has been happening lies in this palace.
Oh, yes. Yes, I remember that. But how?
A woman that serves the king his meal every day has answers to the questions. I mean, the chief cook.
What?
Can someone please call her? Woman, can you tell us all you know about this?
Yes, Chief Priest. I have something to say. 35 years ago, when they brought her to His Majesty, Prince Uchenna, who was the heir apparent, they died 3 days to his coronation.
Bim, I love you so much. I just wish our parents could allow me to marry you.
And what if they don't?
I'll fight for our love.
Obi, I love you so much. I can't imagine a day without seeing you. Obi, I want our love to be stronger. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
I want to it will. You're almost close to your house now. You have to start going.
I don't feel like going yet.
You have to go. I don't want your auntie to start complaining. And I believe you have enough of chores to do at home. You have to go. I
That
believe I will
sounds
see you in the
better
evening.
Okay. You can take care of yourself.
And you too.
Nkiru, where are you coming from?
Good afternoon.
You have not answered my question.
I went to see a friend.
You went to see a friend. What happened to the chores? You didn't do anything at all in the house before leaving. Not even cooking.
I'm sorry, Auntie. I'll go and do them now.
I'm supposed to come back from work and still do chores for you, right? I've been seeing your moves with the prince. You better watch it. He's not your class. Royalty is meant for royalty. Are you hearing me?
Yes, Auntie.
Watch yourself. Now go fetch water for me.
I'm sorry, Auntie.
Sorry for yourself.
I didn't see you yesterday like you promised.
I came, but the queen didn't allow me to see you.
What?
Yes. She said a lot of things about me that I don't like. She said that I'm a nobody and that I'm a low-class, dirty girl. That she doesn't want to see me around you or having anything to do with you. So, I'm sorry.
Okay. I'm really sorry for what I had to say. The most important thing is that the king refuses to divorce. And I believe you talk to the queen and he will allow me to marry you. Please.
Are you sure?
Forgive how I am.
I really felt bad.
Shit. But wait, I want to understand something. What do you say? She's a nobody. I mean, there are plenty of girls you name. So why? No. Well, Uchenna, you understand that mother will never have this.
Our father is your supporter, please. The heart knows what it wants. All I need here is for you to support me. Please.
I doubt if the people of Umogo will agree to this. What? Who am I? You are Prince Uchenna, soon to be the king of Umogo. If I say no, I'm in trouble. So what will I do? I have to support you. But
thank you, my brother.
you're still here. What about Nkiru?
I've been here for the past 15 minutes. I haven't seen her. I'm confused.
Are you sure everything is alright?
But you know what? Let's go to the stream and swim first. I believe we'll get to meet her there.
But how will she know we're there?
Don't worry. I believe I'm able to meet her there.
Okay, alright. Let's go.
It's okay. Nkiru.
Leave me alone.
Nkiru, it's okay. You have cried enough. It's okay.
Auntie, you will not understand. Like, I don't get it. How can a prince of this land drown in the same river of this land? How possible is that?
It's strange. It's really strange. Eh? I know the prince is your friend. But you have to take it easy. Take it easy. Eh? Take heart. Stop crying.
I didn't even get to see him, not even a word from me.
It's not your fault that he drowned. Eh? And it's not your fault that he died. He's dead, never to return. Eh? Just have to take heart. Take it easy.
Auntie, I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. It's not your fault. I've told you. Eh? It's not your fault. Stop crying.
I'm pregnant.
Huh? No, I didn't hear you. It's again.
I'm pregnant for the prince. I tried to tell him, but I couldn't reach him. I went to the palace, but the queen dropped me.
You are pregnant. Nkiru, you are finished.
Auntie, I'm sorry.
Nkiru, you have finished me. Hey! Chimebuomo! Nkiru, you don't have to kill yourself over this. Eh? You don't have to kill yourself over this, my dear. And from the look of things, the queen doesn't like you. And I warned you. I warned you. Eh? I warned you, but you did not listen. I told you the prince is not of the same class with you. Royalty is meant for royalty. Eh? Now we cannot even go there to tell them that you are pregnant. But just take heart, my dear. It's not your fault that he died. Okay?
I've heard you, Auntie. Thanks for your support.
It's okay. You'll be fine. Stop crying. It's okay. Kiru. Welcome. Why are you stressing yourself like? What's everything? Why are you stressing yourself? I told you I can do all these things by myself. I'll do all these things myself. Are you okay?
I was at home doing nothing, so I decided to go and do something.
Are you okay? Hey. Don't carry it out. This thing is so heavy now. Don't carry it next time. Okay? What is it? Are you okay? Auntie? Okay. Again. What happened? Wait, you are still labor. Wait. Help! Wait. Just breathe in. Breathe. Hey. Wait. You still look very sick. You were just discharged today. You sure I will not take you back to the hospital?
Me, my son, Afunwa will return. Please make sure he is raised in the palace. He needs to take his father's place. And
stop talking. It's okay. It's okay.
Chiremese, okwa chiremenu ese, chiremenu ese. No need for the struggle in life.
Hey!
Chiremese, okwa chiremese.
Ngiru, wake up now. Let me see. No, Ngiru. No, Ngiru, wake up now. It's me, it's me. Look at me, it's your auntie Joma now. Ngiru, just look at me now, look at me. Open your eyes. Open. Can you see me?
Chinemeze, okwa chinemeze, chinemenu ese.
I took Afonwa, started training him as my own son. When Afonwa was 4 years old, Kiru appeared in my dream and instructed me to take him to the palace. I had to quit my job. I came to the palace here. I started working as a cook. I was not surprised when His Majesty took him as his own son, because the same blood flows in them. I knew this day would come, because since then, Kiru never stopped appearing in my dreams.
I remember that my brother had an affair with a girl. Yes. I never knew that the affair would result to something. My brother, of course, died by drowning 3 days to his coronation. The community gathered and I was chosen and made king. Yes. This is Uchenna's son.
Yes, he is. My mission here is complete. And from now on, I cease to be the palace cook.
What? So you knew this? all this while? And you hid it from us?
Your Majesty, the appointed time is now. Prepare Afonwa for the coronation.
Lies! All lies! Chief priest, native doctor, no priest. All lies! Conspiracy! Conspiracy! You attest to this, man. Say something. If your brother will never be my brother. Conspiracy!
Get out of here.
Royal conspiracy! 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 Camilla! You will remain my driver and even more.
He's our brother.
He's your...
Your Majesty, prepare Afonwa for coronation as the heir apparent to the throne in 30 days' time, after he has taken a bride.
Chief Priest, I have nothing against it. That's what the gods have willed. So be it.
I always knew that there was something great about you, son. No wonder. No wonder you have the name.
Oh no. Check it. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. Who could have thought that things would work out this way? Hey. Honestly, I'm still shocked. But I'm still happy. Eh? Yes, of course, because the girls chose a worthy son. Okay. Well, thank you for coming to inform me. I'll see you later. Let me go back to my house. It's okay. Later. Go where, my brother? Let it be. You check it again. I'll go where, You go down there. You didn't care. You didn't care now, but some car will do. You can say it again. You are doing it. You still no?
Over my dead body. Over my dead body will I, Queen Isioma, allow this to happen? What sort of revelation is that?
Know it.
Kingship remains in this family. No one is taking it away.
So, it is still in the family. Afonwa is family. He is our blood.
That will not happen, my king. Never.
You know, the problem you have is that you are doing battle. You are engaged in a battle with yourself. It is a lost battle. Whatever the gods have willed cannot be stopped, cannot be reversed by mere mortals.
Really? Okay. We shall see
It's okay, Mom. I appreciate all you have done for me. You will remain my mother, okay? Nothing will ever change that.
My son, I am so happy that you have finally found your destiny. What stupid destiny? And you think you can come from nowhere and take away what rightfully belongs to my son? I will fight you till my last blood.
Hey, this is bad news. I mean, I hate this revelation. I've been here thinking and jubilating that my daughter is going to be the next queen of this kingdom. Hey, gorgeous dress in aqua.
That is your thinking, but not the will of the gods.
I know that my daughter will be badly hurt. I need to go to the palace to console her.
To console her. That was what I was cautioning her about all these days, these months. But she wouldn't listen. And you keep talking to her a different way.
Naira, this news has denied me of my gorgeous dressing. To be dressing gorgeous. Eh? I need to go to the palace. Let me go and console my daughter. Nine, because don't get me angry. Who doesn't like that? Hey! Oh,
gorgeous.
You have always claimed to be better than me. You seized every opportunity to show that you are better than me. But you see this time, you will never win. I will never be alive and watch you be the next heir apparent. Never.
It is the throne of my father. No one, I repeat, no one will take it away from me.
We shall see.
Son, I don't want you to see this thing that way. Okay? You're my son, and I love you.
I gave up on that love a long time ago. You channeled all you love, your affection, your support to a former. So be it.
Don't take it that way. You need to share brotherly love with him. I mean, see him as your own blood, your own brother. Son, the throne is rightly his.
No. Never. Never! I can give up everything but not that throne. I won't give it up even at the expense of my blood.
You are the king. And you can make everyone dance to your favor.
I am a fair and just king, and you know it. Silma, that I am sitting on this throne is by circumstance. Afuma's father, my brother, was supposed to be sitting on this throne. He was supposed to be the king. He died. And circumstances now make me king. His son, Afonwa, has turned up. It is my duty. It is my responsibility. It is my sacred duty to ensure that he sits on this throne when I join my ancestors.
But
don't but me anything. Talk to your son. Talk to your son! Talk to him! And have some sense in you!
I'm shocked at this revelation. There is no one the curse cannot bless. So, Afunwa of yesterday. Who will imagine that Afunwa will know this thing? A young man, I thought he is too lazy. Nothing. Mama, I am happy for him. He deserves every good thing he's having today. I am so happy for him, Mama. I am happy. Oh. This world is too small. I am so happy I did not frustrate you out of this relationship. But my daughter, you will not blame me. All mothers will want the best for their daughters. Mama, I am happy you now know the truth. So, one day like this now, me, I've become the queen. Hey! Wow. Mama, it's me, oh. Ibudozie queen. Next to queen. Mother.
How will you choose down one? You gonna choose na.
Yeah, papa no more time. Hey! Mama. Honestly, that's the situation. And it is threatening the peace of the royal household. I am bothered as well.
It is okay, my love. I really do not want this to weigh you down. Your father is a great man and a brave king. I believe that in his capacity, he will handle things.
I am not happy.
Don't worry. You will be fine. This is what is going to happen. I will just go upstairs, freshen up, and then I will come take you out and give you the treat of the day.
No. My love, I don't want to go out. I just want to be here. I see this place as a safe haven. I just want to be here.
Are you sure? Alright then, I will just go freshen up and then I will come cuddle you to sleep.
I like that.
Beautiful princess.
Thank you.
Shouldn't be sad.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Alright.
You want something to drink?
No, fine.
My love, I am so proud of you and I am happy for you. I have always known that you are destined for greatness.
See, I am so grateful to you. You stood by me all through. You forgot material things and fought for your love. See, I will forever cherish and love you.
I love you.
I love you. Mama, I have tried everything possible to make the prince see me like a brother. But he has this strong hatred for me.
Mom, relax. Oh, do not worry yourself. With time, everything will fall into place.
Oh? But Mama, I'm scared. The prince and the queen might try to hurt me one day the way things are going.
Afonwa, you are royalty. And the sacred of Umu preserves any royal child anywhere in the world. Not to talk of you that stays where the Ofo is. What are you afraid of? Eh?
Alright. So what are your plans now?
I will stay here until you are crowned. Then I'll know my next step.
Thank you so much, Mama. God will keep protecting you.
I've always known that there's something special about you. And I'm so happy. And I'm also happy that you're my brother as well.
Thank you so much, kid sister.
Oh!
You see, I really appreciate all your love, care, and support you render to me all through my stay in the palace. You and the king have made this palace a worthy place for me.
I'm glad we have been. Come here.
Thank you so much.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
Honestly.
My queen, what you seek is an abomination, and I won't be involved in it.
I am not asking you to be part of my abomination. Just tell me what to do and leave the rest to me.
The only person that has the right of pronouncement is the king, with the staff of the kings. But be reminded that he has a great repercussion on the throne of Umogu Kingdom.
The staff of the kings. Thank you, Ezemo. That is exactly what I want to hear. Thank you.
No need for the struggle in life. Chidemese, okwa chidemese, chinemenuese. No need for the struggle in life. Chinemese, okwa chinemese, chinemenuese. No need for the struggle in life. Chinemeze, Okwa Chinemeze, Chinemenuese, no need for the struggle in life. If humans were God, what would this life even be? If humans were God, what would this life just be? Amuronyeneko yempako, ijedugo be Chineke mo. Conscience is dead, dignity is gone. Onyempako, chetanu no lisana fuso, chetanu niye nine gemenu, chetanu nayana hobina hunu. No man is God. Chinemeze, okwa Chinemeze.
Afoma. Today, you have found a wife. Choma. Today, you have found a husband. Happiness, joy shall be your lot in this marriage. Choma, you will birth for us male children, female children on the Ekede. You will birth for us male children, female children on an Oye day. You will birth for us male children, female children on the Afro day. You will also birth for us male children, female children on the Wode. Your union is blessed. No. Behold the latest, the newest royal couple.
No need for the struggle in life. Chinemeze, okwa Chinemeze, Chinemenueze. No need for the struggle in life. Chinemeze, okwa Chinemeze, Chinemenueze. No need for the struggle in life. Chinemeze, okwa Chinemeze, Chinemenueze. No need for the struggle in life. If humans were conscience is dead, dignity is gone. Onye mpako, chetano no lisana fuso, chetano ni